In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Etsy to QuickBooks. This process will help you streamline your financial tracking and make managing your business a breeze. I'm here to guide you through the steps to link these two platforms seamlessly. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks account. If you're not already familiar with QuickBooks, it's a powerful accounting software that helps you keep track of your income, expenses, and overall financial health of your business. When you access your account, try to have all your necessary login credentials ready to make this process as smooth as possible. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left panel on your screen. Here, you'll find a variety of options designed to manage different aspects of your business finances. Look for the icon or label that says Apps. Clicking on this will lead you to a hub where you can integrate various applications that can enhance the functionality of QuickBooks. In the search bar within the Apps section, you want to type in Etsy Connector by Intuit. This specific application is designed to bridge QuickBooks and Etsy, allowing your Etsy sales and transactions to flow automatically into QuickBooks. This integration can save you time by reducing the manual entry of data, helping you to focus on growing your business and meeting your customers' needs. After you locate the Etsy connector, go ahead and click on Get App Now. This action initiates the process of acquiring the app, and you'll be prompted with some steps to begin setup. At this point, make sure you select your firm, which indicates which set of business books this connection should belong to. Once you've confirmed your selection, proceed by clicking Install. Now you'll see a series of prompts that guide you to connect your Etsy shop with QuickBooks. It's essential to follow these instructions carefully to ensure a successful connection. During this phase, you'll need to log in to your Etsy shop account, so have your Etsy login details ready as well. This step establishes the communication channel between both platforms, effectively letting them speak to one another. Finally, once the connection is established, the last step is to save the integration and start syncing. This means your Etsy transactions will flow directly into QuickBooks, updating automatically and reducing manual bookkeeping tasks. Having this sync in place can be incredibly liberating, allowing you to accurately track your sales and manage your business finances more efficiently. That's it. You've connected Etsy to QuickBooks. Now you can enjoy the benefits of integrated financial tracking, saving you significant time and effort. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.